Pyramid with an area of 1,500 square meters and a height of 35 meters. What we've been doing here for the past 2 weeks on this new site, we removed a huge amount of soil, leveled it flat, laid geotextile, and filled it with limestone. We also built a service road. This road is needed so that all the heavy machinery can drive in to deliver piles, reinforcement, concrete, and everything else required to build this pyramid. We also started working on filling the corner of the plot. Since the pyramid is massive, 1,500 square meters, it didn't fully fit on this site, so we had to shift it slightly to the side. This created a corner of about 6 by 6 meters, where the soil has to be filled again. For this, we brought in a vibro compactor attachment for the excavator. It's a very powerful compactor that presses the soil with great force so it won't settle later. The compactor is mounted on the excavator and the soil is compacted layer by layer. Right now, the excavators are cutting off a layer of soil to create a service zone that will support the pyramid once it becomes a concert hall. They are moving the soil and compacting that corner in layers. The site looks flat, but the difference in elevation is from 0 to 700 millimeters across the area. Therefore, we decided, in order to save the client money, not to fill it in, but instead to cut down the other side. Once this plot is leveled, we'll start driving piles. In Nuanu, nature is treated very carefully, and we support this approach. All the trees that ended up within the construction footprint are being dug out. A special service will come and replant them. Not a single tree will be harmed. Before construction begins, we install a multifunctional service pole like this one. First, the client connects electricity to it. Inside the box are breakers for distributing power and supplying the entire construction site. The pole also holds CCTV cameras, a Starlink satellite internet dish, and floodlights to illuminate the site. Most importantly, this pole marks the zero elevation point of the entire project. From this reference, the surveyors will set all the heights across the site. The pole is buried a meter deep into the ground, so it's not going anywhere. This geodetic zero will serve us for the next couple of months. For small projects, we usually tie all the rebar for the foundation at our base and deliver ready-made elements. But since this is a huge project, we're building an on-site rebar tying station. It will be a proper concrete platform with a roof to protect from sun and rain, where all reinforcement will be prepared. We're bringing 12-meter rebar rods here so we don't have to cut out the middle. Normally, rebar is delivered bent in 6-meter lengths, which requires cutting and leads to waste. Here will be the main body of the pyramid itself. And over here, there will be a huge dance floor of 1,500 square meters. It will just be a flat surface, which we'll also fill with the soil we cut from the slope. So, there's a lot of work ahead. The most important thing is that the rainy season in Indonesia is about to begin, so we're working without weekends, using 2 excavators and a large team to finish ahead of schedule. Rain would greatly slow down the process and drive up costs, but we're saving the client's money. Very soon, the site will be buzzing with activity, with pile drivers hammering piles into the ground to build a reliable foundation. Subscribe to our channel. This is a truly exciting project.